World, what's the deal? It's your boy Original Dion, and today on my YouTube channel, we talking about how to monetize Instagram. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World. Now, I'm making this video because I feel like a lot of people use Instagram just for, entertainment, and they don't really realize that Instagram is driving tremendous amounts of traffic every month, and by doing a simple technique, you can turn that traffic into money. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to monetize Instagram, how to monetize the traffic, and all of the platforms you need to be aware of when we're working online and want to make money on the internet, monetize content on the internet. Now, as you can see, this is my Instagram page. Anybody that's on Instagram knows you don't get paid just for straight up posting, the content you like on Instagram. You don't get paid for this. It's free, but what it does is it drives traffic, right? Once you make an Instagram post, if you add tags to it, if you, promote it, or if it ends up on the explore page, it can get your channel a certain amount of traffic. So what I use my Instagram for is basically to drive traffic to my YouTube. And what I see a lot, even on big channels, is they forget to add a website link. Now, this is the money maker on Instagram. You have to have a website link. As you can see right here, my website link is leading directly to YouTube. That's why I made an Instagram. My Instagram is mainly to drive traffic to my YouTube channel. That's all it's for. I just want to drive traffic to my YouTube channel, because once you're on my YouTube channel and you begin to watch, that's where I can make money at. But let's say if you're just a social influencer on YouTube, or you post a lot of content, it could be meme related content, it could be news related content, it could be videos. If you post content like that on Instagram and you're driving a lot of video views, you have a lot of profile visits, you have to edit your profile. I'm not going to go to it right now because it shows my information, like my phone number and, what email address I use. But you have to edit your website, and edit profile. You have to edit your website, and you can add a bunch of different links. Like, you could have different things. Now, I recommend having an affiliate offer, based on the niche, or, the demographic of your traffic. So, it's a bunch of different platforms we can use to do this. Now, one platform I recommend is Amazon Associates. Now, you can have an Amazon Associates link, and when you advertise a product, like any product on Amazon is able to be made a link and to be shared across the internet. So if you have an Amazon associate link here and you drive, 100,000 viewers a month, you'll create income, because out of those 100, let's just say 10% bought, you get 1,000 people that bought something on Amazon, and that just an extra income that you weren't even planning on, or you didn't have to do any work for. It's passive income. So, using affiliate links like Amazon, we got ClickBank you can use. ClickBank is another thing. I know y'all see a lot of girls promoting the tummy tea, and that's an affiliate marketing offer. You know what I'm saying? And sometimes you may see a post where people promote things, and then they'll say ad, they'll have hashtag ad. You know what I'm saying? And that's also an affiliate link. But once you build your profile up big enough, if you build your Instagram page up, like big is over, once you get over 10,000, I still have a smaller Instagram account, but once you get over 10,000, followers on Instagram, you're able to add links to your story too. So people can swipe up and immediately go to a link that you're promoting, that you're monetizing, making money off of. So you could drive traffic that way. But once you build your, if you even build your Instagram past 10,000 to the 100,000 club, you'll begin to hear people reach out for you. You can run promotional posts on your story, 24-hour promotional posts on your story. You can run page posts, promotional page posts, just basically somebody paying you to post content on your page. So in the link, you should have in your description, this, I see this a lot. Like, people never have an active link right here. So you should have don't put it in the description, put it in the website field. That's where you're supposed to put it. Now, it's two different fields. Well, it's three different fields. It's the name, the description, and the website. And in the website, you should have something that's leading back to you making money. That's what we want to do. We want to make you some money. So I recommend Amazon Associates, ClickBank affiliate program, or Max Bounty, you know. And if you want to take it even a step further and be smarter than the competition, you want to create a Linktree account. You know what I'm saying? You only get one chance to link in Instagram, you know, make it do more. So with a Linktree account, you can have an Amazon link. You can have a ClickBank link. You can have a Max Bounty link. You can have your YouTube link. You can have everything in one, you know what I'm saying? And allow your viewer to choose, you know, what they want to go to. But me, I'm just keeping it very simple right now. I had a Linktree. I do have a Linktree account, which I've used in the future. But the main thing I'm focusing on right now is YouTube, because I understand the potential and power of YouTube. So, you know, another thing you want to use now, when you want to determine, say if you get real big, right, and people start reaching out to you saying, okay, I want to promote on your channel. How much would you charge for this? How much would you charge for that? It's a website called Social Blue Book. Now, Social Blue Book allows you to add your social media platforms on here. Once you pay, you know, you have to pay like $5, but it's free for just one. If you want to use one platform, you know what I'm saying? And like I said, I'm real focused on my YouTube channel because it's a platform which allows me to promote everything, you know, and in the midst of all of me promoting everything, I'm getting paid by the viewer engaging with my content. So once you go on Social Blue Book, though, once you connect to Social Blue Book, you will have an inside look on how much you should be charging for your services. So right now, like, say if somebody wanted to upload on Yarn World, which I do allow, which you can go to the in the description of this video, you can go in the business and my business email and inquire about that. But you'll see right now it's suggesting I charge $35 per video. The lowest I should charge is $7, and the highest I can go right now is $62. And this is just based on, you know what I'm saying, a simple upload, right? And then you can see my demographic, the age range, you know, the highest age range. Everybody, the main people on my channel, they watch my channel, are 25 to 34. So, you know, you see your audience, you know, 70% male, 30% female. You see the country, 70% of my content, well, my traffic comes from the US, you know, and the rest is broken up. So, and it even shows you, you know, how many views I get per month, 233,000 in the last 30 days. So it's building, and I'm proud of where my YouTube channel is going. But if you want to monetize your Instagram account, the main thing you have to do is add a link in your description. Pay attention. You will see how many people don't have a link in their description. And it's becoming more common now, you know, but before, a lot of people didn't have links in their description. So, you know, have a link in your description, no matter how big or small your channel is. A link in your description can turn into more traffic, which turns into more money, which turns into a better lifestyle for you. So that's all we want to create, is a better lifestyle for ourselves, our family. And, you know, with all of this internet content, I don't want people to just get caught up in the hype of it. Like, just get caught up in, oh, I'm on Instagram, let me take this picture, let me do all of this for these people. No, monetize that traffic. If you a female on here, I know them Instagram models that be on here half naked drive so much traffic. You know what I'm saying? Just because people looking at your naked body. But if you can monetize that traffic and have a active link, you know, girls now, they creating OnlyFans accounts and all type of premium Snapchat links they got. But it's more ways to do it, more ways that are, you know, where you can save your integrity and keep your morals up. But, you know, they do anything for clout nowadays. But it's your boy Yon World. That's how to monetize Instagram. I hope I helped somebody today. Add a link to your bio. Add a link to your description. And make sure it's active. Make sure you can click on it and, you know what I'm saying, go somewhere. Right? That you want it to work, right? So it's your boy Yon World. We dropping more videos than the ops. But make sure y'all leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. I'm out. Peace.